Cool beans. All right, so let's look at dollar. All right. So if we go back to Monday, I forgot to record Monday night video. It's all good. But going back to Monday night, I told you guys that I did want to see the dollar give us some pullback from this drop right here. This was a good little sell off right here. It was real aggressive. So I did want to see the dollar give us some kind of pullback. To be honest, I still want to see it come back up here to about 93.50, 93.53 up in here. Boy, maybe then go lower, come back down here. But them lows over there is real clean. I just not seeing that too. Equal lows, I like that. Yeah, I know what I tell y'all about that. Money right there. So price is definitely gonna be drawn to that to down here anyway. When it's gonna come back down here, we don't know. We just gotta wait for the market to show us. But I do want to see price come back up here. Retest this price right here, 93, 93.50, 93.53, and then sell off of that price. But as we can see, the dollar did start the week out bullish for us after we had this bearish week last week. So with that being said, if we go and look at Euro USD, going back to Monday night, told you guys that I wanted to see it sell. I kind of wanted to see Euro USD um, prices right here. Monday night, this is where price is at right here. Told you guys that I wanted to see it come here, retest this big at the bottom of this structure right here. I wanted to see it come there, then sell, but it just went ahead and sold. Then gave you another opportunity to get in right here on a retest. Then gave you another opportunity to get in on a retest right here. This was your last opportunity. This was last call for alcohol. And then you can see price just kept on dropping. That trade was good for about 80 pips. So somebody knocking at the door. All right. All right. So for the rest of the week for Euro USD, we don't broke back above this level right here. Looking at the dollar, let me see. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We should be getting ready to see Euro USD continue this on sale. We came back up here. You see, we came right back up into that engulfing counter right here. This counter that got engulfed by this bearish candle right here. Blue counter came right back up into the open of it. You see, the price just snapped off of it. So we should see, looking at Dollar, let me see. Yeah, the dollar is doing the same thing on the opposite side. So we should start seeing the dollar. I want to start. I expect to start seeing the dollar start to buy. So with that being said, I want to see Euro USD come on down. Take out this low, come down here, retest this level, and possibly keep selling down to 1.1659 down here. We'll have to see though. We got to get back down to these lows first. But that's what I want to see for Euro USD for the rest of the week. 1 second. Moving on to GBP USD. Uh, Going back to Monday, told you guys that I wanted to see GBP USD buy up. This is the same markup from Monday. I wanted to see it buy up. I did want to see it come up a little further. I want to see it come up here, and it still may come up here. It's just taking this time by getting there. But keep in mind that pound pairs are volatile, so they move quick. Right there would be like 139 pips. So you see that, but I think we may be getting ready to see GBP USD sell to the downside because we know that GBP USD correlates with Euro USD. You can see both of them just came back up into this engulfing candle, just like with Euro USD we just looked at. GBP USD sell. This is a good little sale right there too. That's 140 pips. Oh yeah, it's like 225 pips. So let's see. Yeah, let's see if we get that to play out for the rest of the week. NZD USD doing what she wants. Be sometimes, and then I can do it about that. Um, I want to do. I want. Well, I mean, she's still. I definitely want to see a sale off of you. Definitely want to see a sale. Um, so I mean, she ain't really did nothing for us this week. She ain't triggered no trade. She ain't came down, touched no level. She ain't came up, touched no level. Because I told y'all Monday, whatever level she touched first, that's what we was gonna trade off of. Y'all see, she ain't touched no level yet. So that's why I hadn't sent out nothing for NZD USD. So it is what it is. Once you get to a level, we'll make a play. Moving on to Biddy. Video Biddy. Biddy ain't really been doing nothing. I just been holding Biddy, waiting for her to continue this up run. So when she show me a move, then I get in on the pool. But until then, I just be watching. I be monitoring. Looking at silver. Silver starting to give us our move. I don't like how Silver been playing with this week. She's been playing all around the stuff. came up. I wanted to what was it? Night, right here. I want when you got a look. That's them some pips for cause Silver moved like she moved she's a little bit more volatile than U30. So them is some pips, but I want to see her come. I want to see her skyrocket. Some pip, but she just playing. Then she bust down through the level right here. Now we back above it. Now she look like she want to give us the buy. I don't know, Silver. I ain't did nothing with Silver. I jumped in this buy. I caught a little bit, moved my stop loss in the profit. She shot down, stopped me out. I ain't mess with her no more. I'm gonna wait for her to give me um, an aggressive candle, and then I get in on the pullback. I gotta let her show me what she wanna do. So I'm gonna wait for her to shoot up, then I get in on a pullback right on up. But I still got her going up. That's what I want to see. Silver go to um, for the rest of the week. Might not get there by the rest of the week. Might not get there to mid next week. I don't know. She might go to the downside. I don't know, but that's why I want to go and these the levels I'm playing off of. Be good level. So I don't even think I gave no analysis to go. I think I skipped past gold Monday night. If I did, it would have been a buy. Definitely would have been a buy. It would have been a good buy. So what would we at Monday night? Right here. So yeah, um, pull that. Yeah, yeah. But that would have been, damn, that was perfect. Why I ain't mark must have been feel like marking up gold on Monday. I don't remember marking it up, and I didn't record it on Monday.com. So, but that would have been the level. And it, what it is. But this is definitely a good buy. I wouldn't buy right now though. I wait for it to go ahead and run this little exhaust. I wait for price to exhaust this move right here, and then pull back, and then um, I see equal highs. Um, could be price definitely come up. Price should definitely come back up. I don't know though. Hold on. I don't know though. Give me a second. Let me see some. Yeah. Yeah, it might be a good buy to like up in here, but if the dollar keeps buying, That's why I ain't been messing with gold, cause gold just all out of whack right now. It ain't doing nothing. Yep, that's exactly why I ain't. And I'm gonna keep it moving. All right. Last but not least, U30. All right. So Monday night, 8 o'clock. Who's right? I told you guys that I wanted to see um U30 sell down to here and either buy off this level or buy off this level here. You see it came down, hit this level, kiss this level, shot up. And then I told you guys I wanted to sell off of this level. It gave us a sale right here, gave us a sale here, gave us another sale here, then it finally broke above the level. And then, as I always tell you guys, once price break those levels stay relevant. Price almost almost always come back and retest those levels, one of those levels perfectly, and keep going in the direction that it's going in. You see, you got a retest right here, damn near perfect. You got one right here for the top. And then price came back and started to sell off. Once I seen that price was starting to sell off, I sent this sale out today. This was the sale that I sent out in the group chat, and that was for like 1,400 pips. Yeah, that's more like 1,700 pips. And I still want to see that was take profit. One that it hit, I still want to see it come down to like a take profit. Two was one 185. Yeah, 29,180. So I want to see it come down like that. Right here. That's like one pick off. Yeah, that's where it take profit. Two was at. I think that's like a total. Yeah, like 2,500 pips. So right now, you see prices playing around. You see these levels I be trading like on the minute time frame. I be trading when I be scalping. You can see I be taking these trades right here. This would have got stopped out. This if I was scalping on the minute time frame and I was looking at the market right here, I would have took this sale. It would have got stopped out because I wouldn't have set a stop loss because I'm looking at it. So, but I know in my mind if price comes above that high, then the market is it isn't selling. I need to get out, especially if I got in down here at these levels because even though we on a minute, that little move right there with U30 is 117 p from that bottom entry. From the top is 67, 69, 69. So if I'm in scalping and price came in right here, and I hit sell right here, I immediately got stopped. And then price would have came back down, and then would have came back up. And then I would have seen, okay, price just came back up. Look what price just did. Even on the minute time frame, you can see the same pattern that I be showing you guys. Right there where I just put that line at. Look what price did. Price came down, was in this downtrend. This on a minute time frame now. Came down, was in this downtrend. Right? Came down, but look what it did. Came down, was in this downtrend. And it do the same thing over and over. Came down right here, created. Show y'all. Created these equal highs right here. Look at this counter. This counter shoot up. Takes out that liquidity. That's why I put that money sign right there. That money sign equals liquidity. Shoots up. Takes out that liquidity. Then what it do? Shoot down. Same thing. It do the same thing over and over. Shoot up. Make sure it get it all. This shit really. They don't be perfect. You just got to be able to see the pattern, market, shoot up, clear out that money, shoot down. Then right here, look at this, equal high, market, shoot up, shoot down. So I definitely would have took this sale right here. So this one would have got stopped out, which would have been okay, cool. Then once I identify, okay, that was just a liquidity grab. And price broke back down through those levels. I would have took this sale again. Stop loss would have been above here. Price came down, I would have got my sale. 560 pips. Just like that, easy, in a matter of 18 minutes. The problem with that, not everybody's starting out from the same place. So if we're all getting the same amount, but you started out back there and I started out over here. So let me go back to the 15-minute. Like I told you guys in the group chat, and like I told you guys a few minutes ago, I still want to see U30 come down and hit our TP2. And I want to see it keep going, and I want to see it come down to 28,900 to this level right here. I want to see it come and retest this level because this level hasn't been touched but once. So I really want to see U30 come down and get down up in here because this ain't being filled all the way in. It's still imbalance right there. From here to here, what price took out, it's still imbalance right there. So I want to see price get down up in there, get down up in that imbalance. And then I don't care, probably shoot to the moon, but that's what I see you 30 doing. See, we didn't get back above this high right here. And we broke back below this structure. So I'm still in this sale from earlier, but my stop loss is deep in profit. I still want to push to the downside. So that's what I got for you 30 moving forward for the rest of the week. Anybody got any questions about any of that?
Beautiful, my brother.
Yes, sir.
I don't have any questions, but could you